again, viewers. Welcome back to this Immigration Matters program with me, Primerose Makunzva. This program is brought to you by AILTV to keep you viewers in the know on the changes in UK immigration law. Please note that this program does not intend to provide direct legal advice in people's individual cases. If you are affected by any of the changes in immigration law, please do seek advice from a professional. If you need to discuss your individual case with me, you can contact me using the details that are appearing on the screen right now. Now, today I'm going to talk about British citizenship. Now, British citizenship used to be something that was fairly easy to obtain. The application was very straightforward. It was rare for people to require legal assistance when applying for British citizenship or British nationality. But that is not the case anymore. There have been changes to this area of law, which has made it difficult for people to actually obtain citizenship, and I will explain why. In December 2014, the Home Office introduced changes to the good character requirement for British citizenship applications. Because of the changes, they now take into account quite a number of factors before they can grant a person British citizenship. They said that they would take into account a person's immigration history, particularly any history of overstaying in the UK, breaching conditions attached to your leave at any stage during your stay in the UK. They also stated that they would take into account criminal convictions and anything else which would indicate that the applicant cannot be considered to be a person of good character. Because of these changes, we have seen that the Home Office has now been refusing quite a lot of the applications for British citizenship, whether it's someone applying for British citizenship by naturalization or a child applying for British citizenship by registration. If the Home Office are not satisfied that the applicant is of good character, they will refuse the application. And I can actually say this, since they introduced these changes, the Home Office has actually gone on a spree of just refusing these applications for any reason that they can think of, which according to them would establish that a person cannot be considered to be a person of good character. Some of the decisions I've read are quite unfair because you look at the reasons, they are quite petty, but there are also some serious reasons which they've also used. For instance, if a person is overstayed in the UK, if a person has breached the conditions of their leave by working illegally in the UK, that will almost certainly lead to a refusal. Those are the more serious reasons for refusing a person's application, but the petty reasons can include reasons such as a person not working in the UK or being refused because of what a family member has actually done, or just because the Home Office has got the facts of the applicant's case wrong. If you are refused because of these petty reasons, you should actually challenge the decisions. Please note that there's no right of appeal against decisions of the Home Office in British nationality applications. If you are refused, the only remedy is to go back to the Home Office in an application for reconsideration. If they refuse to reconsider your case, then the next remedy, the next available remedy will be judicial review in the High Court sitting as the admin court. These are more complex proceedings, but that's the only other remedy that an applicant will have. I would strongly advise those who are eligible to apply for British citizenship but have been postponing applying to sometime in the future to consider putting their applications in now, because this area of law is just going to keep changing, and we already have seen the indication that the policy has shifted to not just granting British citizenship. So if there are any people out there who've been thinking, well, I will apply sometime in the future, I'm not quite ready, well, my advice is think again. You might want to put in this application before the rules get even tougher. For now, we'll end here. Please stay tuned in for the future programs that we have in store for you here at AILTV. Please subscribe to our channel for you to watch these programs. Thank you for tuning in. Goodbye.